Hi,
Hello.
do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What's your name?
My name is Jessica.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is learning new things.
Can you speak another language?
Yes, I can speak Hindi and French.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I like to take photos.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I can use a computer.
Do you like to shop?
Yes, I like to shop.
What is your favorite song?
I don't like it.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is banana.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is Urdu.
What's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Thursday.
You like to go hiking?
Yes, I like to go hiking.
What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is tomato and potato.
Can you play chess?
No, I can't play chess.
What's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite weather is summer.
Do you like to go fishing?
Yes, I like to go fishing.
What's your favorite type of car?
My favorite car is Auto Suzuki.
Can you ride a horse?
No, I can't ride a horse.
What's your favorite color of clothes?
My favorite clothing color is black.
What's your favorite type of shoes?
My favorite shoes are sports shoes.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, I like to watch sports.
What's your favorite type of bag?
My favorite bag is school bag.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I like to go to the beach.
What's your favorite type of phone?
My favorite phone is Vivo.
Can you juggle?
No, I can't juggle.
What's your favorite type of watch?
My favorite watch is smartwatch.
Do you like to go to the zoo to see animals?
Yes, I like to go to the zoo to see animals.
Do you like to go to the park to relax?
Yes, I like to go to the park to relax.
How do you travel to work?
I travel by local train.
Do you like to go to the gym to exercise?
Yes, I like to go to the gym to exercise.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two siblings.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
Can you swim in a lake?
Yes, I can swim in a lake.
What's your favorite movie?
I didn't like movies.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Can you cook a special dish?
Yes, I can cook a special dish.
Can you do magic tricks?
No, I can't do magic tricks.
Do you like to go to concerts?
No, I don't like to go to concerts.
Can you ride a skateboard?
No, I can't ride a skateboard.
Do you like to go to museum?
No, I don't like to go to museum.
What's your type of flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
Can you do handstands?
No, I can't do handstands.
Do you like to go to the zoo?
Yes, I like to go to the zoo.
Do you like to go to the park?
Yes, I like to go to the park.
Can you play soccer?
Yes, I can play soccer.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
My favorite holiday destination is Taj Mahal.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Can you ride a scooter?
Yes, I can ride a scooter.
Do you like to go to the Threader?
Yes, I like to go to the Threader.
Do you like to go to beach?
Yes, I like to go to the beach in the summer.
Can you do a cartwheel?
No, I can't do a cartwheel.
Do you like to go hiking in the mountains?
Yes, I like to go hiking in the mountains.
Can you do a somersault?
No, I can't do a somersault.
What's your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is Mecca.
Do you like to go skiing in the winter?
Yes, I like to go skiing in the winter.
Can you do a backflip?
No, I can't do a backflip.
Do you like to go swimming in the pool?
Yes, I like to go swimming in the pool.
Do you like to go camping in the forest?
Yes, I like to go camping in the forest.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel.